Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. And today we have a special Indian dessert or drink called the mango lassi. For this recipe I used 1 mango, 1 cup of natural yogurt, 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom, and this will yield 2 cups. I use frozen mangoes to give the smoothie a nice icy thick texture. It is totally optional to add sugar at this point, and then blend everything together until nice and smooth. You can add more yogurt if you want it to be a bit runny, or you can leave it at this point if you want it thick. I added about a 1/4 cup of yogurt and continued blending until everything is well combined and nice and smooth. Our mango lassi is ready, so flavorful, especially with the combination of the yogurt and the cardamom with the natural flavor of the mango. It's just the best thing to have on a very sunny day, enjoyed very cold. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share with your family and friends, and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.